are going to be talking about feet today, and not in a weird way, okay? I'm going to be showing you guys my at-home pedicure routine. I curated this routine back in 2020 when I realized that my feet were getting so dry, cracked, and extremely painful, and I needed something to reverse that. And so I did a ton of research and figured out what products to put together to create like a foot mask at home to reverse that, as well as how to properly exfoliate my feet to get rid of dead skin and just leave them feeling soft and silky. So I'm going to be showing you guys that routine today. I've got my handy pedicure basket with me. Look how cute, look how gorgeous, look how lovely. I love. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by showing you guys how to make my DIY at home foot mask. Obviously my little bowl is empty because I have not made it yet. I ran out of it and I wanted to show you guys how I make it, so I wanted to wait until I was actually recording to do that. So I'm gonna start off this video by showing you guys how to do that and then get into the rest of my foot pamper routine. And before we do, you guys, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And now let's get into today's video.
My foot balm is made with 4 simple ingredients: 3 tablespoons of shea butter to help repair and restore the skin barrier, 1 tablespoon of Vaseline to lock in lasting moisture, 1.5 tablespoons of baby oil to soften and smooth the rough areas, and 2 tablespoons of glycerin to draw moisture into the skin, leaving your feet feeling deeply hydrated. I melt all of the ingredients together over a bowl of hot water and I whisk it to whip it all together. My first step is a sea salt soak. Try saying that 3 times fast. It is both relaxing and beneficial. It helps to soften rough skin, reduce odor, ease soreness, reduce mild swelling, and improve circulation. Plus, soaking helps to prep your skin, and that makes it easier for scrubs and treatments to absorb more effectively. For a more effective exfoliation, I like to combine a sugar scrub with a foot file and a pumice stone. The file and stone help to remove those really thick built up dead skin, especially around the heels and maybe on the big toe, because I tend to get those on my big toe as well. And the scrub would help to smooth and refine the surface. Together, they give a more even and polished finish that help your feet stay softer for longer. Just be sure to not overdo it, because this combination is best when used once or twice a week, just to avoid any tears and irritation on your skin. After exfoliating, I go in with a foot mud mask. This helps to deeply cleanse the skin by drawing out impurities and any remaining buildup. It also has soothing and conditioning ingredients that help calm the skin after exfoliation. It leaves your feet feeling smooth, refreshed, and balanced. When used consistently, it can help improve the overall look and texture of your skin. I leave it on for 15 minutes and wash it off right after. To finish, I apply my foot balm, a rich blend of shea butter, Vaseline, baby oil, and glycerin, which we made together earlier. After exfoliating and treating the skin, this step helps to deeply nourish and restore moisture. The shea butter repairs the skin barrier, glycerin draws in that hydration, and the Vaseline seals it all in. Then I slip on a pair of socks to lock in the moisture and enhance the absorption, leaving my feet feeling soft, smooth, and fully rejuvenated.
Alrighty, you guys, that sums up my feet care routine. Well, the bulk of it. There are days that I go a little extra and I do my nails, but I did my nails about a week ago. I cut my nails, I pushed back the cuticles. I don't feel like putting any nail polish on, and so my nails are bare in that aspect, but everything else is clean and cut. In case you were wondering, yes, this is a planter. It is not a pedicure bucket. I do have one, but mine has a leak in it, and so I went to the store to get another one, and I did not like the colors of any of them, so I got a planter instead. As long as it gets the job done, it's completely fine. So yeah, that is a planter. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's little video. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, and I will be back with more videos. Bye, and see all of you lovely people in the next one.